Uh, I am Amitabh Tiwari. I am the sales head for LG Electronics. I take care of sales of all the products for LG Electronics except GSM. I am basically here for inauguration of Adishwar's 34th store in South, 6th here in Hyderabad. And this is how the channel is evolving. In fact, the organized retail is becoming dominant. If you see Western countries, if you see US, you see Europe, organized retail contributes to more than 90% of the business. In India, still the unorganized sector, which is contributing to more than 85, 86 odd percent of the business. But if you see the dominance, the growth of organized channel and brand shops, you will understand that Indian consumers are in fact following the same track of Western consumers. And they are becoming more discerning, they are looking for options, they are looking for perfect demonstration of products, they need brands, they need a deal that satisfies them to no end. So this is how the channel is evolving. As far as LG is concerned, we are a dominant player in India. Although we are present in more than 74 countries, but in India we have a very, very dominant position in market share. We contribute to almost 28% of whatever sells in India in durable domain. We have dominance in market share in televisions. We are dominant in refrigerators, in washing machines, in microwave ovens, where we command #1 market share. As far as new products are concerned, we have a strategy to keep introducing new products, and in the bargain we have introduced new range of LED LCD TVs. They are different from competition in a way that they are full LED, and the design is something that I think gels with the consumers' demand of their household decor. We call it Infinia. It is a full LED. It has 200 hertz features which are almost unmatched. And we expect that we'll be now going forward post Diwali dominating in LED and LCD business as well. Okay, Hyderabad. I have been coming to Hyderabad since 2001 when I got an All India assignment. Since 2001 till date, I have noticed one thing about Hyderabad. If you see the roads, if you see the infrastructure growing, where you don't need much research, the market which is seeing brand new expensive cars shows how consumer behaves here and how the market has evolved. Hyderabad is one of the most important market in India, and I think it would be contributing, as a market, it would be almost 2,500 crores in durable business only, like in television appliances that I just spoke of.